In the heart of the South Bronx, Father Gigante Plaza, situated in front of the St. Athanasius Church, annually transforms into a vibrant cultural hub, marking a particularly significant milestone in the history of Casita Maria. This esteemed organization, dedicated to enriching the community through arts and education, is celebrating its 90th anniversary with a free 3-day festival. The scene is set with an arrangement of colors, rhythms, and artistic expressions as the festival embraces the diverse cultural heritage of the borough.
We always bring our culture with us wherever we go.
I believe that people in the Bronx like a lot to dance.
This year's theme, born in El Barrio and raised in the South Bronx, pays tribute to the organization's roots in East Harlem and its commitment to serve the community. Thousands gather yearly to experience the magic of the Bronx showcased through music, dance, art, and artisan vendors along the block. Casita Maria's impact on the cultural landscape of the Bronx is undeniable, considering their legacy spans over 9 decades and counting. The center offers a wide array of programs, including after-school activities, summer camps, and workshops in various disciplines, even partnering with the Department of Education to provide resources and support services for local families.
Casita Maria was formed in 1934 to serve the Puerto Rican community in East Harlem. Fast forward now, the community is so diverse. Though we remember our history and our roots, we are grounded in serving the entire community.
Part of the group's efforts is to teach, inspire, and document the history of the Bronx through music and dance and inclusivity of those who lend their creative spirit. And after 90 years, they're not going anywhere anytime soon.
Casita Maria has been enriching the lives of human beings on this block and in this neighborhood and on this borough for 90 years. Support Casita Maria. Visit Casita Maria. Love Casita Maria.
Reporting from BronxNet, I'm Chris Cumella.